Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Death Note Season 1, episode 27. Today I'm gonna watch 4 episodes. That's a lot. I'm gonna be so close to the end. Oof. I want to understand so many things. Like really, I edited the last episodes and I didn't post them yet on YouTube for sure, but also on Patreon. I'm taking a lot of advance because of this month of November and December, because during it we're gonna have the return of The Expanse, The Witcher, La Casa de Papel. I want to react to another show. It's gonna be a lot of work and it's gonna be, you know, episodes which are gonna be dropped at once in only one day, so I'm gonna have a lot of work to do for these videos, so that's why I'm taking a lot of advance with this binge watching. It's easier for me like that. I was saying that I didn't post my reaction videos about the last episodes, in particular this episode with Elle being dead. How can you explain the fact that I can't believe so? Because we saw him dying in front of them. And you know my rule of body cold, eyes closed. We saw him closing his eyes like that. They were all there, you know, the police guys during that moment. After that, they said that they buried him, like they had a funeral scene moment for him. A lot of time passed. Now, even more time passed because Light is inside the police, he's killing so many people, and that's it, he's beginning to create his new world. And still, I can't believe that he's dead. Because of a few things, because of the fact that they are saying that they don't know his name. Guys, you have the Death Note, so the last name written on that Death Note should be the one of Elle. I don't understand that, and also the fact that when Elle died, it was just after Watari dying. Watari, I'm sure that is dead. It's sad, but I'm sure of it, and I'm gonna come back to that later. It was just after that, and we know all of this episode, the silence episode, was about Elle knowing that he was gonna die. So, seeing Watari dying, maybe he faked his own death during that moment. And after that, they all left to search for Rem. Only Mogi stayed with Elle. Can it be possible that they made an arrangement, the two of them, like, I'm faking my own death, shh, don't tell anything. But Light, he didn't see during that moment that Elle was acting. I can't believe that he's dead, and because of that, I think that the persons that we saw at the end of the last episode, it was Roger, okay, someone who has the responsibility of an orphanage, the one in which Watari put Elle when his parents died. You know my theory about that. I think that Elle, he had rich parents and he was put right there by Watari, like, you know, a Bruce Wayne, Alfred situation. And that Roger might be related to Watari, because they were friends, because they are brothers, something like that, someone that he trusts that much. And right there, that final scene that we had with Roger, with the announce that Elle is dead, I don't think that he is dead. I think that it was that blonde person who was making the puzzle. The puzzle in which you add the letter L. Maybe it's during that time, you know, that he found his nickname, but I think that now L is blonde. That's it. I don't think that he's dead, and I think that he is blonde. But it doesn't explain who is the other person in front of Roger during that moment. But he can't be dead for sure. Watari is, and I'm sure that for Elle it was so sad, so shocking, you know, so disturbing. If I imagine, you know, that background for him with Watari, with his family and all. So I think that right now he's faking his death. How? But during that time, he has to know that Light entered into the police. He had to see all of these deaths that Kira committed. He had to see also that a lot of people are afraid, but also a lot of people are cheering for what Kira is doing. That's awful, if you want my opinion about it. Like, how can you cheer for someone who can kill people just like that as he wants? All of the thing, you know, about I'm killing only the bad persons, it's bad persons according to you, but you don't know their story. Maybe they have regrets, maybe they changed, maybe they want to do good now. So really, you're not allowing second chance at all, so for sure I'm gonna be against that. No, someone deciding for the death or the life of people, it's no, you're no one to do that. We need something to happen, like right there. Light is so confident, you know, on himself, on his life. I mean, he has a job, he has an apartment, he has a girlfriend who is so dedicated to him, who loves him so much, too much. Oh, during the editing also, I saw again that moment, you know, with her singing, and the lyrics of that song made me think that maybe she had some doubts about her relationship with Light. Can it be possible that at some point she's gonna switch? I don't think so, but that was interesting, that moment really, her singing like that. But yes, Light, he has everything that he wants and no one is against him. Something has to happen. Maybe, you know, Mr. Yagami is gonna see something into his son, is gonna make him suspect him. I mean, we need someone to do this investigation and to... I don't know. Something new. We need something new. We need a change. It can't continue like that. That's what I'm expecting for this episode that I'm gonna watch today. Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro right now. Like usually, if you want, you have my Patreon on which you're gonna have the episodes earlier. We have one episode of Advance for Death Note with an extended or a full reaction part. For Attack on Titan, we have 2 episodes of Advance. For The Legend of Korra, we have 4 episodes of Advance. For Arcane, I'm dropping all of the 3 episodes at once on one day and then them on YouTube. For La Casa de Papel, The Witcher, and the first episode of The Expanse, you're gonna have 1 week of Advance on Patreon. Each time on Patreon, they have some Advance and also extended or full reaction parts. It's the best way to support me. Right now on YouTube you can like, subscribe, comment, stuff like that. It's also helping. Let's go! Oh! Let's go for this episode 27.
Roger, what did you just say?
Melo?
I'm afraid Al is dead. He's dead?
It's not Al!
Well, you promised me you'd find Kira and execute him, and now you're telling me...
He promised you? Melo, Roger, and you?
If you can't solve the puzzle, then you're just a loser.
Nier?
So, which of us did Al pick, me or Nier? He hadn't chosen yet. And now that he's gone, I'm afraid he won't be able to.
To replace him, maybe? He's not dead! Oh, I'm sorry.
And the 2 of you work together.
All right, sounds good.
We can't do this together. You know I don't get along with Nier. We've always competed against each other.
I'm sorry. Al is dead? No! Boys, you seem fine, but I don't want you to replace
It's
Al.
fine. Nier should be the one to succeed Al. He's not like me, who never gets emotional and just uses his head.
Like Al.
And as for me, I'm leading this institution. Wait, Melo!
Melo, Nier.
A police officer who happened to be nearby during Higuchi's arrest overheard him talking about a notebook.
Wow!
Death actually is.
That's right. At this point, the Japanese police should have it in their possession.
The White House? Huh?
The real Al is dead.
No!
Nier is, well, in a sense you could call him the true successor to Al.
And you will know his real name? It's dangerous. Really?
But
It's
still, it's
red.
impossible for us to see.
Before it was always blue.
And we haven't had any new leads in a while.
To them, the world's become a good place for people who don't commit any crimes.
Look who's talking.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we missed you too! And you must be Mr. Matsuda, right?
Oh, that's me.
Matsu?
You're always taking some...
Last time I saw you, you were this big.
Matsuda, your face is going red!
3 years passed. 3 years. How many people did you kill?
Yeah, I was thinking if you were a little younger,
No!
I might have considered going out with you sometime. Oh,
It's not that old.
she's already way more mature than Matsu. But of course, life hasn't changed one bit.
You're still that much in love?
A heartwarming scene from the most unfortunate family in the world.
You have to enjoy that so much, Yoko.
Kidnapping. Involving who?
They got Director Takimura of the NPA.
As if we don't have enough on our plate already with the Kira case.
Like you're making any progress with that. This group, you know, in US, searching for who is Kira.
They want to trade the director for the notebook.
Who's behind this? And for what reason?
Do you think it's Kira?
Oh, is that why you have...
Thinks it could be any number.
We all agreed to keep the information between the six of us, so he didn't know, did he?
I never told the director.
Someone knows about the Death Note. And beyond that, they know that the Japanese police have it.
Neil?
Only about the kidnapping.
You know it's
itself.
the ones who received this information that Elle sent? Neil? Melo?
My name is John McEnroe. I'm an agent.
McEnroe?
of the FBI.
Sorry.
This is just an alias.
Ah.
We want you to hand over the notebook to us. Take the director. What are you talking about? Don't act like you don't know. This is a serious criminal offense.
Okay, you're
What the
listening?
hell is going on?
Oh, you have the same habits than Elle.
Japanese police force has been kidnapped.
It was not you? You had the same intention? It's Melo. Someone who knew that the notebook exists like you. Oh, like we needed another confusion.
Of all the investigators on the task force, Deputy Director Yagami would be the highest ranking, right?
Yeah.
There are two notebooks out there. One of them is in Kira's possession, the other is with the NP.
It's a good theory, but you learned that from Elle.
Don't worry. As long as
You
do
didn't
know,
have
there's
this
no mistakes.
intuition for
In a
yourself.
year and a half since it joined.
You're working for this man?
I will be the best. I don't care what it takes. I'll be near by any means necessary.
Oh, like we needed that. It's worse and worse each time. And you're gonna kill other people.
Boss, shut up. Takimura hung himself with his tie somehow.
What?
If Kira is responsible for this, we know he can't touch us since he doesn't know our names or faces. That means Kira is someone who knows about the kidnapping and kidnapped Soichiro Yagami's daughter, Sayu Yagami.
Poor Sayu.
According to his personnel file, he's actually called Larry Connors. I'm pretty sure we'll be able to trust him.
But the director should already be dead by now. Why haven't
You
the
did
kidnappers
it.
said anything? It's possible the kidnappers might have us.
I'll be a good girl and go to bed by myself, okay?
Yeah, good night. Not the only ones in danger here. Our families are at risk.
A call from
Like
the director's
Sayu?
cell phone. Takimura is dead. You bastard! Begins this. The notebook for Sayu Yagami.
And now, are you gonna sacrifice your sister?
I see the police making any big movements in the next little while. I'll kill your daughter.
Damn, they got me. They used the director's death as an opportunity to get to Sayu.
You're good.
Sayu? I don't know. Now that you mention it, she is late coming home.
I think it was Kira who killed the director, not the kidnappers.
Nah.
It's reasonable to assume he has ways of obtaining information from within the police force.
Are you gonna do the same for your sister?
Near.
I'm
Just
desperate.
received a report that the director of the Japanese police agency has been killed.
And if it is in fact Kira, I can narrow down our list of suspects significantly. Have you been able to determine his whereabouts yet?
Not yet.
You're searching
We
for...
were able to confirm that
Okay.
he left the institution.
No, you never change. You You've always overlooked the most important things because you let your emotions get the better of you.
You know
Perhaps
it's him.
you're not even involved in this case. How could you leave your photo behind at the orphanage?
On purpose?
Come to LA by yourself in 2 days, and of course, bring the notebook with you.
You're gonna go in LA?
We've narrowed the call down to 5th Street in LA. It's being broadcast right now on a local LA station.
Is it proving something?
She's still alive.
Really?
That's reassuring.
I'm taking the notebook to Los Angeles. It's my decision, both as deputy director of the Japanese police force and as Sayu Yagami's father.
They're gonna know that you have it on you. So many possibilities to steal it from
I
you.
have to be in LA in 2 days. We don't have time. Yes?
This is Al.
I don't believe it.
Me neither.
I've already heard
Which one?
Investigator John McEnroe, or rather Larry Connors, had to say to Deputy Director Yagami in regards to the notebook.
Light one.
Pass me the phone. Pleased to meet you at last, L number 2. Organization known as the SPK, or Special Provision for Kid. It was established to find and capture Kid.
You're telling him oh?
You can address me as
N.
N.
Oh! And Melo, it's M. L M N.
Strange feeling. What is it?
M and N. They want to replace L. Oh, the lights. Yes, I'm taking the plaid only for the review time. Because I had to close my blinds, you know, because the sun is coming too fast, too strong. It was not L. The blonde guy, it was not L. It was Melo and Nir who were trained, or at least who were waiting to replace L. L had to make his choice between these two. He didn't have the time to do so. Melo is the one to say stuff like, that's it, I'm gonna let Nir do it because I'm too emotional and stuff like that. So Nir is taking really the place of L officially. He's going to see the US government. They're creating a group to search for who is Kira. During 3 years they are doing that. The SPK. But you know that Melo is continuing to do stuff with the information that L gave to you. Melo is working for bad people. He wants the notebook for these people. It's awful, you know, like it's almost like you are confirming me that L is dead, something that I don't want for sure, and you are replacing him with 2 persons, one who is choosing the bad side of the force, who wants the Death Note for bad people, you know, and who is really guided by his emotions and his ambition, and that's it. And the other one who is trying his best, who can be, yes, maybe someone good, you know, to not to replace L but to succeed to L. But that someone, I'm not sure of how he's working, you know, strategy and all, like he seems to be clever and that's great. But for now he's just following Kira, you know, he's just following what is happening. It's not deciding stuff. And during all of this time, Light, you had the occasions to kill all of these people. You are working to search for who is Kira, but for sure you are not making any progress. I wanted something to change, I wanted something new. I had it, but it was not what I was expecting, for sure. It was not the help that I was expecting. I'm sorry, N. But for now, you're not reassuring me at all. You have so much work to do to be close to the truth, like you're so far away. I have the impression that we made so many... They want the Death Note, you know, the kidnappers, Melo. He wants the Death Note. At first it was in exchange of that police guy, but that police guy died and you all know it, Melo and Nir. and you all guessed that it means that Kira knew about what was happening, you know, didn't want the Death Note to fall into the wrong hands. So for sure you're gonna suspect all of the investigators of the Kira case, but also the other group, you know, Melo is gonna suspect Nier's group and Nier is gonna suspect Melo's group. So it's really restraining the number of suspects. That's great. But now they want the Death Note in exchange of Sayu. I don't think that they are in LA, not really. I mean, that thing with the television, I have to consider that this anime was made some years ago, so, you know, me right now, I would say they just, you know, used the VPN and that's it. They showed something which is on US television right now, but in fact they are still in Japan. But did they have VPN things during that period of time? For me, she's not in Japan. And you know, for Mr. Yagami, of course he wants to save his daughter. But during the time, you know, these 2 days to go to LA and all, they have so many opportunities, you know, time to steal the Death Note. Like, I wouldn't, you know, wait for the reunion, for the meeting between them to have the Death Note. I would try to steal it from you before that. Like, you're not gonna suspect it, you're not gonna be like that on it. I'm not satisfied by all of this information. It's great, it's really great. It's bringing something new, it's bringing a real change. We have so many things that can happen. We have Light who is in difficulty because we're talking about his sister. What is he gonna decide? Like, and right there, you know, that police guy that you just killed with the Death Note because you wanted to keep it for yourself, that person didn't do anything bad. So right there, Light, you just killed someone who was not bad? It's against Kira's principles, no? Maybe it's a little hypocrite? I'm just putting it right there, you know? That information, the fact that... Okay, what are you gonna do? You're not gonna sacrifice your sister. You're not that bad. Light, come on. I said it in the beginning, I'm afraid that at some point he's gonna have to use the Death Note for his father or something like that. I'm gonna hate it, but I'm afraid of that since the beginning. So now that it's his sister who is, you know, on the line, I'm worried for her also. Light is in difficulty, we have people who want to replace her, we have people investigating on Kira and they are not, you know, Light can't influence them, new characters, new enemies. That's great, that's cool. But it means that Elle is dead? I don't want that. That scene at the end, you know, that symbolic of Light surrounded by chains, you know, and it was like that with Elle, like you thought that you had enough of Elle and in fact he gave all of the information that he had to someone else who is going to continue his job. And maybe he's not dead. I have to continue to have hope. And again, it's so wrong because it's so against my own rules. Again, normally body cord, eyes closed, and I have to stop to be in denial and I have to accept the death of someone. But right there, I can't. I'm gonna stop this video right now. I will see you this afternoon for 3 more episodes when the sun is not gonna come like that and force me to do videos like that. Like, really, the lights are off for, I know it. So I'm gonna see you later. It's gonna be in another day for you, for me in some hours. So it's all for you for today and it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.